Hello, all. Welcome back. So in this video, I will show you how to increase your device performance by adjusting the virtual RAM in this PC. So let's see how to do that. To do this, first you have to go to settings, go to systems and scroll down to the bottom and choose about device. So inside about device, you can find advanced system settings. So you can go that and choose advanced and performance and which so just click the settings. So here you can of course adjust your settings for best performance, which can reduce your display quality, but I don't recommend that. But instead you can just go to the advanced option and go to the virtual memory. Okay, so here it will be by default choose automatically. Just remove that and go to set a custom ROM. So what I would recommend, just go with the minimum of 2 GB uh, as the initial size, and maximum you can go like up to 16 gigs. So I'm putting an additional 16384 as the maximum. So once you selected this, just click set. So now this value is set and it will utilize your C drive. So just make sure your C drive have enough space to handle this. So you choose this, then you press OK. So once you've done this, you have to restart your computer for all the changes to apply. So don't forget to reboot. So once restarted, this change will get applied to your computer. If you like this tip, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more contents like this. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.